Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll discuss how to disable our WordPress comment from the posts details page. So in our WordPress website there are multiple post type, multiple posts, and we can see the comment form at the bottom of every post details page, right? So there are multiple spamming are happening using that form actually, so we need to get rid this off actually. So how we can do that? So you can see this is our post from the default post type. So once you view this post, you can see the post details page along with the comment form. So this form needs to be disabled. So how we can protect the form, protect the website from the spammer actually? So in that case, let's go to the plugin area and click on add new. Okay, and in the search bar you can see you need to disable comments. Okay, so you can see there are multiple plugins are available over there. You can use this one. So just install the plugin first and now activate the plugin. So once it's activated, just go to the settings and you can see at the bottom disable comments. Just click on it and you can see two options over there. One's disable for all comments and one is enable all comments. So we need to disable all comments and just save changes. Now we just save the settings. Now go to the post area, post details page. Just reload this page. Okay, so once you reload this page, you can see the comment form has been disappeared. So using this method, we can easily disable our WordPress comments form globally. That's it. Thank you.